fluid ang situation. Ang assessment namin is delikado siguro magpalipad. Kahit na kaya nating magkumuha ng eroplano at ipasok, wala tayong magagawa. Dahil, number one, the airports are closed, there are all no-fly zones. This is a combat area. By land, meron mga option na nagsasabing by land. Yun din ay delikado din. Dahil kung magkaroon ng friendly fire incident, alam nyo, marami silang mga bomb shelter na pwedeng pagtaguan. At yun ang naging advice namin sa ating mga kababayan, doon muna kayo. Pag may air raid alarm, di tumakbo muna sila sa bomb shelter. And that is the advice we have given to our nationals in Israel and also our nationals everywhere else. Na if you are in a safe place, kung malayo naman kayo, just stay put, in constant contact with our embassy staff, both and the families of those who are working and living. Kapag sabi sa atin, safe na